Hey guys and gals, what's going on? So, if you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to review some 20 mini lights for $1. This is a Dollar Tree set of lights. It's 5 feet long, 20 mini lights. And let's see what we can get for $20. Not $20, for $1. Alright. $1 gets you this. Alright, incandescent, 20 lights. Let's plug her in. I have here a set of red. These are a more expensive brand. I'm not going to name the brand. Go ahead and plug them in. And actually, the Dollar Tree lights are brighter. So that's cool to know, but they are a smaller strain of light. They're 3 amp max fuses, just like normal. So this is what you get for $1, guys. This tiny little bundle of joy right here. 5 feet though, so. But in comparison, you can get a strand of 100 lights for roughly $3 at Walmart. And if you want LED, they're like $7 and less, depending on how many you get. So, with as many lights as I have to have for Christmas, the $1 option is not going to work for me. What will it work for? Mini Christmas trees. Perfect for those mini Christmas trees. Perfect for decorating a kid's room, a bathroom, anything like that. So, if you need just a small strand of decorations, this is perfect. If you have a little power inverter for a cigarette lighter in your car, and you just want some lights in your dash, that'll work. So, that is all I have to say about this, guys. It's UL certified, indoor use only. I wouldn't put it outside, that's for sure. You can just tell it's not coated the same way. 2 different color greens. The coating on this one's a lot better. This is made in Cambodia by Greenbrier International. Honestly, it's probably the same manufacturer that makes a lot of other wires. These are non-connectable, so you can only do one strand. That kind of is a bummer. You could tap off the power on the end, though, but you can't go end to end. Bulb remains lit if burned out. Spare bulbs included. Steady burn, flash. So, if you do need a spare bulb for another set you have, I guess $1 isn't bad to get a whole bunch of lights, plus the spare that they include. So, that's all I got to say about this one, guys. In my eyes, it's a fail.